Do you think you might want to consider a love seat, ladies? I'll tell you what that is. And before I jump into the explanation, it's absolutely free. So a love seat is basically a hot seat, same thing that you do inside of a mastermind. I have always wanted to be in a mastermind, to participate in hot seats. Once I read about them and really understood the value of what they can deliver. The problem is they're always, well, not always, but they're typically pretty expensive. And so I thought, I wonder how I could create that opportunity for women trying to rise in their career in a way that it won't cost them. So what I've done is I've created a Facebook group. It is the Sparkle and Rise Facebook group, which you will find a link to in this email. And inside of there, we're doing love seats. So here's what it is. If you're in the love seat, you let me know you want to be in a love seat, and I will schedule a Facebook room. So a Facebook room holds 8 people. So we would have me, the person in the hot seat, and 6 other women inside the Facebook room. It's a lot like Zoom. You get, the little Brady Bunch tiles all over that you can see each other sharing. And the person in the hot seat would share a challenge that is getting them stuck. They've got 5 minutes to do that. And then each woman is going to give advice, suggestions, share things that she's tried or she's seen others try that get them unstuck. I'll be taking notes, and at the end, the person in the love seat will then share with the group what are the things that she would like to do to move forward. I'm doing, I'll schedule as many as people are interested in doing. I'm doing them about every other week. If I need to, I'll schedule them once a week. And whether you're the person in the love seat or the person giving advice, you get so much out of this because, we all have similar struggles, and it's just so cool to hear all of the feedback that these amazing women have to help us get unstuck. So pop on over to the Sparkle and Rise Facebook group, ladies. Join us there. Gentlemen, forward this on if you've got a woman in your life who would benefit from the group and participating in love seats. And we're there to support you. So if you're interested in a love seat, we'd love to see you there. Hope you guys have a great week, and I'll talk to you next Wednesday. Bye.